bot ro kablong peaceful.
The United Democratic Party, UDP, held a public meeting today in support of its candidate Nafisisha Marwain from the Umroi constituency at Bhorimbong. Addressing the campaign, UDP Working President Paul Lyngdoh urged the electorate of Umroi constituency to support UDP candidate Nafisisha Marwain, highlighting her eligibility and leadership qualities. He emphasized that the party has undertaken several initiatives for the welfare of the state, including banning the use of plastic to protect the environment, advocating for the return of 5 villages under the jurisdiction of KHDC, and working on the land bill, among other efforts.
Kadang day tani kandai kamtam rugi ke parti kejongi bajana undang elam ubah khmat jodoh seng. Kini day kesama keba latre ship haba nak benda ke United Democratic Party nak benda kajing one pai jonga kumu MLA Shaga Assembly na West Shillong constituency